You make it hard to say goodbye. Little tiny effort. I don't wanna wake you up when you smile in your sleep. I wonder what you're dreaming of. You got that temporary cherry blossom potion on your lips. Ocean, but I only got a sip, and there's an Uber on the way because my flight is in an hour. I still gotta pack a bag and brush my teeth and take a shower. So I take a mental picture cause I know I'm gonna need.
Yo, I got a quick lifestyle multiplier for you. This is my weird natural pre-workout stack that I take for more energy, more focus, and a pump before I exercise. So let's go jump back into the kitchen and I'll talk you through it. I've been looking for a natural alternative to all the BS that's out there in the pre-workout world. And I am totally against taking the normal pre-workout supplement with all the caffeine and all the weird synthetic chemicals that you don't even know what the name of it is, and it's just no good. And I would never put something like that in my body ever again. I definitely had a season of that, and I am just not looking to do that anymore. I take very, very good care of myself, and I care deeply about the ingredients and the products that I put into my body. So for that reason, I was looking for something that would be a great alternative to that. You know, because I am spending a lot of time either working on my body or working and doing focused deep work, cognition, energy, pump, all these things are important. And there are many ways to get energy or to have energy. We can talk about all those things in different videos, but there was something about, I wanted that anchor for when I exercise. I wanted to just take something and be like, I'm just committed to working out now. I can't back out. I can't change my mind. It's once you take it, it's workout time. And if you don't work out, then you just have all this extra energy. So you got to use it some way. So I wanted something to anchor myself into that feeling, because I've been doing a lot of corrective exercise and it's become a bit monotonous, a bit mundane. You know, it's very, let's just say it's very slow. And so I wanted more energy to fuel that process as I, go about doing my corrective exercises and the posture stuff that I'm working on currently. So I started poking around in my cabinet and combining different supplements that I was taking, and then I started looking. And I actually, when I was in Utah a couple weeks ago, I saw my mentor using one of these supplements, and I asked him what it was, and I took a picture of it. I went and bought it when I got home, and I started testing it last week, and I love it. And it's my favorite supplement in the stack, and I'll share what it is with you at the end. So let's talk about the supplements that go into the stack. What are they and what do they do? The first supplement in this stack is the Paleo Valley Organic Super Greens. And this is an awesome supplement. Shout out to Paleo Valley. They actually sent me these products, but they didn't pay me to make this video. I just was testing them. I'm experimenting with them, seeing if I like them. And I do like this one. I do like the Super Greens quite a bit. So let's talk about the benefits of this particular product and why I take it. So it is a Super Greens product, which means it has tons of green leafy vegetables, and it also has a lot of fruit in it. The reason why I like this product is because it is all the things, okay? It's organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, raw, and it has no cereal grasses. So what does that mean? It means it is free of any BS, basically, and it has digestive enzymes as well. So sometimes when you buy a Super Greens product, it is hard to digest because raw veggies can be hard on people's stomachs sometimes. Because they put digestive enzymes in the formula, it actually makes it easier to digest. And you also get all the amazing benefits from the micronutrients from all the ingredients that are in here, whether it's the broccoli sprout or the carrot or the raspberry or the ginger or the turmeric or the elderberry. I mean, the list goes on and on and on with all the amazing benefits that you can get from all these different types of foods. So what I found in my experience is that when I take Super Greens powder, I do feel a noticeable lift in my energy. And it's very subtle. It's not like I drink a cup of coffee, but there's a lightness there, and that's been my experience. It also tastes a lot better than most Super Green powders that I've tasted. This one in particular is strawberry lemonade. And the next product in this stack is going to be the grass-fed organic complex from Paleo Valley as well. So the reason why I take this is organ meats have lots of B vitamins and minerals. And if you look at a lot of pre-workouts, they have a lot of B vitamins in them. And the sourcing of the ingredients for this organ meat complex is actually really clean, just as all the other products of Paleo Valley. So the actual organ meat is grass-fed beef liver, grass-fed heart, grass-fed kidney, and these cows have never been given any hormones, any steroids, or any of the BS that traditional cows will have. Interestingly enough, what I've noticed when I take this, and I've taken this just by itself, like isolated from the other products, this gives me a pump. Out of all the things, like this really actually gives me like a high testosterone type of feeling. What I've noticed is that I get a little bit more aggressive, I get a little bit more confrontational, I get a little bit more macho, I guess, when I take this. In a good way though. You know, when you're rolling up into the gym or you're trying to have a good workout, sometimes having that feeling can be super beneficial to having a great lift or having a great workout. So I like it for that reason, and yeah, that's what I've noticed with this one. Last but not least is we're going to talk about Human N Beet Elite, or Beet Elite from Human N, and it is an endurance superfood, which is a nitric oxide activator. So nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it dilates your blood vessels, raising blood supply and lowering blood pressure. If you go on to Beet Elite's site, what they claim is that they did a clinical study and they showed that their athletes who used this supplement were able to increase the length and the recovery of their workout by 18%. So what that looks like is extended exercise endurance, improved energy and stamina, and promoting oxygen efficiency. So those are my 3 products in my pre-workout stack, and I will link everything up below if you want to go check them out and give it a try. I am not affiliated with Beet Elite, but I do have an affiliate link for these guys, so if you want to buy through their link, it does help support the channel. I hope you found this video helpful. I know I was looking for something like this for a long time, and now that I found it, I'm very happy. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes. If you haven't already, like this video, it helps out with the YouTube algorithm quite a bit. That's it. That's all. As always, be well. My name's Kyle Got Camera. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.